Today, we're going to learn about the different parts of the Excel interface. Let's start our tour from the top. While the main diagram is on screen, in the top left corner, you have the Office button for file operations, and right next to it is the Quick Access toolbar for your favorite shortcuts. The very top of the window is the title bar, which displays the name of your file. The large area below that is called the ribbon, which contains all the main tools and functions organized into different tabs in the menu bar. Below the ribbon, we have the name box, which shows the address of the selected cell, and the formula bar, where you can see and edit the contents of that cell. The main grid is your worksheet, or document area. It's made up of columns, labeled with letters, and rows, labeled with numbers. The single box you have selected is called the active cell. To move around larger spreadsheets, you use the vertical and horizontal scroll bars. At the very bottom, you'll find the status bar, the worksheet tabs to switch between sheets, and the zoom tool to adjust your view. Here you can see that as you type into the active cell, the data also appears in the formula bar above. This is how you enter and edit information in Excel.